How to create a miner. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Create an account using your email and password or simply log in via your social media profile. Step 2. Deposit funds. Before creating your miner, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. GoMining supports various payment methods including card, credit card, Apple Pay, and cryptocurrencies like the GoMining token, Bitcoin, and USDT. Choose the option that works best for you and deposit the desired amount. Step 3. Create your first miner. You'll have the option to customize your miner to suit your mining preferences and budget. Select its computing power, choose its energy efficiency, and more. You'll also see a calculation of your potential monthly and daily rewards based on your selections. The more computing power your miner has, the higher the ROI will be in BTC from that miner. But remember, you always have the chance to upgrade and change your miner whenever you want. You can also select your miner trait, a fun way to personalize your miner. Once you've made your choices, specify a BTC wallet you want your rewards to be sent. Selling your miner. Your miner is yours to do what you like with it. The GoMining platform offers you the opportunity to trade your miners on secondary markets. This means you can buy or sell your NFTs whenever you want, depending on market conditions and your preferences. Simply list your miner for any price you consider it worth on our secondary market. This is a pretty popular feature as users can quickly sell their miners or make purchases at lower prices compared to the primary market, where miners are often more expensive and limited in availability. You can even find miners with power and energy efficiency upgrades. Ready to create your first miner? Click on the link in the description and launch your mining journey today.